The recipient of this next prestigious award is a young man who was born on December 22nd, 1953. He was inspired by his mother, who was a professional pan player, and he began to play the pan at the age of 8. His first instruments were his grandmother's 3 iron heaters. He tuned these heaters with the song Mr. Lee. He also played old grapefruit cans. Around the age of 11, he saw Errol Greenidge played an amplified pan. This confirmed his ambition for a career as a pan player. His aunts and uncles resented it, for they thought all pan players were radicals, rebels, or unambitious. At the age of 15, he received his first pan as a gift from Saji Ali. Since realizing his dream as a professional musician, he has toured Europe, Canada, Japan, and the United States. In fact, last August he completed a tour of Japan where he played 4 times for 1 month. He also played at Giant Stadium at the recently concluded World Cup soccer games. Tonight, the Sunshine Award program would like to say thanks to him for sharing his talent with us and for contributing so much to this beautiful art form. Please welcome Mr. Earl Brooks, tenor pan player. Congratulations, Earl. All the best.
Well, good night, everybody. What I have to say about this one of my first best award that I ever achieved since I'm in the business and playing pan. I thank the Creator, Lord, for having me here today with health and strength to accept this award. My family, most of all Mr. Figaro, which he is doing a very wonderful job. Well, all I have to say is thank the Father for having me here to receive this alive.